It's day 5 of the Mode M2 G87 10th anniversary build. This is just a little sneak preview of what we've done just in 5 days.
Hold on, hold tight, keep your eyes on.
As you can see, we have the MODEDESIGN FR1s in the colour magnetite gold. For the tyres, we've chosen the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss because they're exceptionally popular along the M2 platform. To complement the BMW M2 in its black colour, we've specifically chosen the black hex cap to suit. We've integrated our bespoke magnetite gold into every detail of this 10th anniversary MODEDESIGN M2 G87. Underneath, you'll see that the KW lowering coilover suspension is being installed and dialed for optimal stance and response. And around the body, the signature carbon fibre aero kit begins to take shape. Every angle, every detail, built for a singular purpose: to celebrate a decade of mode. It's not done yet. The silhouette is still forming. And if this is just a preview, you can imagine for what's to come. Our 10th anniversary edition BMW M2 is more than just a car. It's a celebration of a 10-year journey and BMW's legacy. We have already achieved so much in just 5 days with this build, but there's plenty more to come. Subscribe and follow Mode Auto Concepts and get ready for the full reveal, where one lucky bidder will take home the only one in the world, the 10th anniversary edition MODEDESIGN M2 G87.